from the Southwest Oklahoma City Public Library, and I am here with you today to share my recipe for making homemade Play-Doh. I'm asked this recipe a lot at the library, and so I'm so excited to share it with you today. So let me share with you our ingredients that we're going to need today. We will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of salt. Now if you can see, my salt has glitter in it to make it a little bit more exciting. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and my secret ingredient, I have 2 packages of Kool-Aid mix that we're going to add, and you can add any flavor that you want. Today I'm adding a grape flavor, so it will get the scent and the color that I desire. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add our ingredients in our pot. So first of all, we're going to put our 1 cup of flour, our half a cup of salt, our 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, then our Kool-Aid, and finally our water. Okay, so now we have added all of our ingredients into our pot, and so now we're going to cook the ingredients on medium heat, and we're going to continue stirring it until it comes to a ball. So here I'm stirring it all around. You'll be able to smell the Kool-Aid that you've added in here. Of course, mine's great. And you just keep stirring and mashing around the flour bits. Okay, so as you can see here, it's come to a ball. I just kind of stir it around a little bit just so that it cooks a little bit more around on the sides there, so it's not so goopy. And I just turn it off and then move it over here, and then just put it on some wax paper, and you'll just need to let it cool completely. Of course you can see some little flour bits in here, but as the child plays with the Play-Doh, it will eventually just become part of the Play-Doh and not so obvious, but it needs to cool a little bit, and then you're going to continue kneading it to keep it soft. Alright, so not only is Play-Doh fun to play with, but it's also a great teaching tool. So the next time that your child is playing with Play-Doh, have them tell you a story with the characters they've made with Play-Doh, or maybe even have them make letters with the Play-Doh and spell their name, or you can even have them make balls and then they can count them. So anyway, I hope that you love this recipe and will try it at home. And also, I'd love to hear ways how you use the Play-Doh at your house. Enjoy!